Hey y'all outside in my front yard garden with your girl Nisha B. I'm out here with my hubby. He assisting me holding up my big old tomato plant so I can see what all the harvest I really got. We didn't pick a lot of tomatoes already. When I say we, he have picked a lot of them, so I'm gonna come out here and pick the rest. Off camera, I just want y'all to see how it look before I get started. See you in a minute. Alright y'all, this is how we're looking so far. Like I said, he had already got started. So now let me show you the damage we done took during the rain. And we got some stuff, some plants that's finally trying to die. Keep in mind, you guys, this is November in zone 8B. This is November the 11th, I want to say. Today is the Monday the 11th. But yeah. So we do got some plants that's brown. We're going to come out here today and harvest. Good morning. Hey. And get these tomatoes. Alright, you guys. See y'all in a minute when I get done picking and maintenance. And I just want y'all to see the mess I have on my hands. I need to learn the voiceover. Alright, y'all. Look, this is how far we got. Yay. Plenty of cherry tomatoes. So y'all see the green ones, we're gonna of course let those sit in a windowsill in a bowl and finish ripening them up. Yeah, looking good so far. Alright you guys, we over here by the cantaloupes and the jalapeno peppers, as I stated. So let's just give you a little update of these peppers. So I think like I'm gonna hit them with some Epsom salt. I'm getting a little bit of blossoming rot on these new ones over here. I don't know if y'all can see them. See it. But I can tell that it's trying to like get it. See? Yeah. It's not fully there. It's not bad. It's healing up. Still gonna be usable vegetable or pepper. But it is doing what it's doing. Look at my marigolds, y'all. They is so pretty over here. I think they look more pretty over here than in the front of my doorway. But these are just blooming, so maybe that's what it is. They pretty though. They are pretty. Now my kale, they struggling, y'all. These worms been eating them up. These caterpillars, we've been trying to go through them and catch them. So I don't see any right now. Most of the time they're on the back of the leaves. I went through it once this morning already. Not saying that when you're doing this method one time is good enough. Like when you just picking and killing, you might do it about twice a day. Make sure you rinse off the leaves pretty well. Even though to me I think the rain, not saying the water when you water it, but the rainwater, something in that rainwater brings them out more for my garden at least. So yeah, we're gonna clean up these cantaloupe stems because this other cantaloupe over here is gone. I might take down my trellis until next time. See it? I think both of these have rotten. Here's the other one. So I'm still gonna show hubby and see what get his opinion on it, but they probably go in the compost or garbage. Alright, you guys. So, I don't know. I might put my shoulders back up because it's looking naked. Oh, I can clean this plate up now because I was using it to hold my cantaloupe. So we are done with the cantaloupes, yeah. All the lopes have died. So we are all strictly on the fall veggies, they which are getting eaten up some type of bed. So I am gonna go through and try to just get the real bad ones and toss them over here with my spinach yet so the new stuff can go and start coming in. I'm gonna wait a little while on my kale. I think waiting on the kale gives it more time to recover. By the way, my beans have came up. I can't remember I planted those with you guys, but I actually got those out of the beans that I accidentally let dry too much. So I had replanted them. But alright, you guys, catch you in just a minute. Okay, y'all, this is how it's looking. Your girl's gonna go ahead and get ready to get in the bed, well, get in the tub and get ready for work tonight. Make sure got everything prepared for my night shift and take it on in. So I did my maintenance of the garden. I ain't been out here in a while. I really have been neglecting it. But with that said, we still got things that's looking good and that are growing real well. I might have shouldn't have came over here because now I'm looking at these like, y'all need some help. But my Caribbean cabbage and everything is looking good. I done cleaned the cantaloupe up from over here. We did a little fertilizing off camera with the Epsom salt. And so we're going to call it a day. This is how the radish is looking. I will be putting a photo of the cherry tomato harvest that we have gotten so far. But yeah, everything is still growing. November the 11th. This is how the garden is thriving. I will catch y'all next time. If y'all like the video and y'all stay to the end, comment, subscribe, and hit that like button for me. It's your girl Nisha B. See you next time in the garden.